Here's the public service announcement from the builder.
Hello! As you can see, the snow is gone, and the flowers are all in bloom, with warmer weather. Yes, it's spring and summer season. But it's also construction season also. We'll be doing lots of road work. So please, pretty please, watch out for us when you're driving. Because we are people too. With families. Now, it's time to get drunk.
Hold it right there. Why did you add that last remark?
What remark?
You know darn well what you said. The part where you were going to get drunk?
I added it in the script myself. Because yours was boring.
It was meant to be boring. It was about a serious subject. You, yourself chose to add comedy to it. And I don't care whether my script is boring or not. You can't be adding stuff that isn't relevant to the subject in hand.
Oops!
You know what, builder? You're fired.
You're not serious?
I'm very serious. Your wife will take over the part. Yes.
Ugh.